This week we're discussing opposition. So you're going to be annotating this essay I've given you on Blackboard, discussing the need for opposition. But I'm going to give you just a quick demonstration of what I'm talking about when I say learning from and using the opposition. So I have my Olivia here with a guinea pig. I think guinea pigs are useless. Sorry.
Yeah, sure.
And chickens are better because I have chickens. So that's not a very useful opinion to think that mine is better than hers and leave it at that. Instead, I have to listen to her and learn from it. Here we go. Chickens lay eggs.
You want me to tell something? Okay, you have to clean chickens' water every single day. When you give, this is honey by the way. If you fill up her water once, it'll last her at least 5 days before she finishes it.
That's true. I have to clean my chickens up every day, and she can leave hers alone for 5 days. So that doesn't mean hers is better than mine. Actually, it's not even about one being better than the other. It's about learning. I could take that and go to my chickens and try and find a way to not have to clean them every day. Chickens can fly. Sort of.
Well, we have baby chickens, and when they always fly out of their cages, and makes mom kind of. Anyway, well, they always fly on the edges and poop on the ground, and Panda licks that off the ground. That is very gross.
Panda's our dog, and you're right. That's gross. Chickens poop on the floor. Guinea pigs do not. So what do I do with that? That's the question. That's what you're going to be exploring. Now that I have an opposing view, what do I do with it? Do I take it and improve my chicken situation? Maybe. Do I start changing my opinion of guinea pigs? It doesn't mean I'm getting rid of my chickens unless I eat them. But it might mean multiple guinea pigs. I don't know. Anything else you want to say about guinea pigs?
Well, chickens, you can give them their leftovers and they'll eat like part of them, but there's always part of it that they do not eat. Guinea pigs eat vegetables and hay, and once you feed them one day and you come back, like, if you feed them breakfast and you come back for lunch, they finished everything. Everything.
Guinea pigs eat their vegetables and they finish. Chickens do not. Again, though, maybe that simply means I should research specific types of foods that chickens would eat instead of just the normal chicken food I give them. And that could improve my chicken situation. So again, it's not a guinea pig versus chicken discussion. It's opposition and what I can learn. So enjoy your somewhat long and dense reading assignment, and we will talk next week.